Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Linda.
Linda, how are you today?
I'm happy.
Okay, and Linda, how old are you?
I'm 9.
You're 9 years old? All right, great. So, Linda, today we have our final test here. Are you ready for the test?
Yes.
All right, so good luck. I wish you good luck to you, and I hope you do well. So, we are going to start with the vocabs, okay? We have got a bunch of vocabs. First, we are going to talk about some numbers. What number is it?
Number 1,
Number
2,
2, good.
3, 5.
Number
8,
and
7.
what color is the number 3?
It's yellow.
What color is number 4?
It's green.
Is green. And what color is this?
It's blue.
And this one here?
Pink.
Okay, it's pink and
Purple.
so we say it's purple, okay? And the last one?
It's black.
And what's your favorite color, Linda?
It's favorite. Pink.
And do you like black? Do you like purple? No. All right, now we have to talk some about feelings. How are you feeling today? Oopsies. How are you feeling today?
I feel happy.
You're feeling happy. Are you feeling a little cold? No, I think it's a little cold today. And how about him? How is he feeling? He is
Angry.
angry. How about him? He is
Scared. He is tired.
tired. Good. How is she feeling?
She is sick. She is happy.
And
She is cold.
she is cold. All right. Now, what school thing is this?
It's a backpack. It's a book. It's a pencil.
No, it's not a pencil, Linda. It's a
Crayon.
yes, it's a crayon. And this one here is
Pencil.
it's a pencil. Well done. And what color is the rubber? Rubber, what color is the rubber?
It's blue and pink.
Good. And what color is the pencil? What color is the pencil?
It's red and yellow.
Red and yellow. Well done. Now, let's talk about some clothes. So, Linda, what are you wearing today?
I'm wearing pink jumper
Yes.
and pink trouser.
Yeah, very good. Pink jumper and pink trousers. And how about this? What is it?
It's a shirt.
Skirt. Okay, skirt. What is it?
It's a t-shirt.
It's a shirt. Good. And what are they?
They are two
They-
shoes.
Okay, you don't have to say two shoes. They are shoes, all right? And what are they?
They are socks.
Socks. And how about them? What are they? You are wearing some. What are they? They here.
Jumper.
Huh? They are trousers. Okay, they are trousers. All right. Now, Linda, let's talk about some body parts. Which body part is this? It's a
It's a nose.
This one, which body part is it?
Is a mouth.
Kids. And how about this? Is that a neck? Yeah, so it's a neck. And what are they?
They are two ears.
Oh, no, they are two.
Ear.
Not ears, they are eyes. And what are they?
They are two ears.
They are two ears. And what are they?
They are 10 fingers.
They are 10 fingers, kids. And Linda, how many nose you have got?
I have got one nose.
And how many ears you have got?
I have 2 ears.
Kids. And how many fingers you have got?
I have 10 fingers.
Well done. I have got 10 fingers. Now, Linda, let's talk about your family. Who do you love most in your family?
I love my mommy and my grandma.
Mommy and grandma? Whoa, okay. And who is this family member? This is my
grandpa.
Grandpa, kids. Who is this?
This is my grandma.
Who is this?
This is my daddy. This is my mommy.
Well done. And
Sister.
so you can say this is?
This is my sister.
Very good. Okay. And Linda, last but not the least, we are going to talk about some farm animals. So, which one is your favorite farm animal?
I love my
Do you like chicks? Do you like ducks? Which one?
chick.
You like chicks? Okay. And what farm animal is it?
It's a cow.
It's a cow. This one?
It's a horse. It's a dog.
It's a dog. This?
It's a chick.
Chick sounds like?
Chick, chick.
Chip, 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 chip. This one here, it's a...
It's a duck.
And duck sounds like?
Quack,
Quack, quack, quack. And how many chicks are there?
There are 3 chicks.
How many goats are there? Goats? How many goats are there?
There are 3.
3 or 2? I can see 2. 1, 2. There are 2 goats. Okay. And how many cows are there?
There are 2 cows.
And how many dogs are there?
There is 1 dog.
Very good. There is 1 dog. And how many ducks are there, Linda? There
is 1 duck.
1 duck. Well done. Now, let's move to our final part, the phonics part. Now, just tell me the letter, the sound, and the word. Letter?
C.
No, letter?
S.
S. S sounds?
Wow.
No, S sounds like? S. 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 S for?
C.
Letter?
T.
T for?
Lion.
T for?
Lion.
No, that's not lion. It's tiger. Are you scared of the tiger?
Yes.
Yes, letter.
Letter Y.
No, not letter Y, letter U. U for?
Win.
No, what is this, Linda?
Umbrella.
Yep, umbrella. Letter
V.
V for?
Van.
Good. Letter
W.
W sounds like?
Wow.
W for?
Window. S.
X.
S. Box. Y.
Y sounds?
Yeah.
Y for?
Yellow. Z.
Z sounds? Z for
zoo.
zoo. Well done. Okay, that's the end of our test today, Linda. You actually did pretty good. Okay, give me a high five. I'll see you later. Goodbye.